We have found the mini Grand Canyon in Cambridge on Penn Road. The potholes are ridiculous. Maybe Cambridge has come up with a money-saving plan for traffic calming. It certainly slows the cars down.
Definitely. And save the money as well.
But on a serious note, it is incredibly dangerous. If you're on a motorbike at night or you're cycling at night, because your lights won't pick up every pothole, they're so big that you're going to come off, and that's going to be a very serious injury, particularly if there's a car following or a bus.
Yep, you're right. This is my way to the gym.
Well, good news, folks. Your council tax in Cambridge covers highway maintenance. Perhaps they should also include discount at the tyre and suspension repair shops.